डिस्क्वॉलिफिकेशन पिटिशन डिसमिस करता 51 पानाच्या निवाड्यात सभापती रमेश तवडकारान गिरीश चोडणकाराची काँग्रेसीच्या 8 आमदारांक अपात्र करपाची याचिका डिसमिस केल्या। आता हे लोकशाहीत बसता काय कितें ताजो निमणो निर्णय सुप्रीम कोर्टानच घेवचो, गिरीशा वतीन केस लडोवपाक ॲडव्होकेट अभिजीत गोसावीन मिडियाक सांगले। काँग्रेसींतल्यान 8 आमदार फुटून भाजपात गेल्ले। भाजपात गेल्ल्यांक अपात्र थारावपाची याचिका गिरीश चोडणकारान सभापती मुखार मांडिल्ली। 2 वर्साच्या अभ्यासा उपरांत आयज सभापतीन याचिका डिसमिस केली। जे पक्षाचे मर्जर जाला ते 10th शेड्यूलाक धरूंक ना। 10th शेड्यूल हे डिफेक्शन प्रमोट करपा खातीर ना, तर ते प्रिव्हेंट करपा खातीर आसा, गिरीश चोडणकाराच्या वकिलान सांगले।
Has been pleased to deliver the judgment in the matter disqualification petition filed by Mr. Girish Chodhankar. The speaker has dismissed the petition. We expected nothing more. It has been dismissed. The only silver lining is after lot of efforts for last 2 years, finally a decision has come. So since the decision is there, now we will take steps to ensure that the correct law in the regard of disqualification for defectors is laid down by the Honorable Supreme Court. We had requested the Speaker to interpret the provisions of the 10th schedule in a manner which prevent defection. Now the Speaker has dismissed the petition. Therefore, obviously, he has interpreted the provision in a manner which promote defection. So, therefore, the order in a single line to say is something which promote defection rather than to prevent defection, which is the aim of the 10th schedule actually.
So why the speaker took so long to dismiss the petition?
I think the best person to answer that would be the Honorable Speaker, because it was getting delayed. We first approached the Honorable High Court. High Court in fact said that you decide as early as possible. Even despite that order, nothing was happening. Therefore, we were constrained to approach the Honorable Supreme Court. The matter is still pending in the Supreme Court, and I think the decision which has come is again because the matter is pending before the Supreme Court. Supreme Court had to say few things in the earlier occasion when the hearing of the matter took place. So therefore, I think finally, eventually, the decision has come. What we have basically argued is that this concept of some majority of the legislature party one day getting up and say that na ami party merge keli is something which is not provided under the 10th schedule. Basically, if legislature members are given so much of power that without even reference to a political party on stand-alone basis, political party चे merge करपाक लागले, जाल्यार democracy आनी काय उरले ना न्ही. Basically, the object of the 10th schedule was to give some importance to the political parties. कितें जाल्लें की जेन्ना 10th schedule enact केल्लो तेन्ना elected members were taking decision as per their whims and fancies. So therefore, to give some importance to the political party, to the role of the political party, 10th schedule was enacted. Now the way it has been interpreted, at least in the present matter, is to say the political parties of kide role aso, but the legislature member can one day get up and say that no, ami merge karta ani political party merge zali. To us, our understanding, this is something which is not known to the 10th schedule, and it is contrary to the basic fundamentals of democracy. You can't have such a thing that political party kai's role na 10th schedule. I think that is not something which is in our understanding provided under the 10th schedule. We are not here, the 10th schedule is not to promote defection, it is to prevent defection. The matter in the Supreme Court has been still kept pending, specifically because we requested that this is a very, very important question of law. You are required to decide it. So the Honorable Supreme Court has kept the matter pending. It is pending adjudication. Now therefore, we will explore our possibilities how to go ahead, but the endeavor will be to approach the Honorable Supreme Court eventually as early as possible to ensure that a proper law is laid down. Law in respect of defection, whether such a kind of a merger wherein only the legislature party member take a decision and it is deemed that the merger of the political party has taken place, whether it is correct, whether it is in tune with the democratic principle which our country follows, is something which we will request the Honorable Supreme Court to decide.
So Speaker, मर्जर म्हणून पयलीं अनाउंस करता, जो स्पीकर तांकां लोटस सिंबल अलॉट करता, तोच स्पीकर त्याच मॅटराचेर जज म्हणून काम करता. सो क्रायमूय तोच करता आनी त्या क्रायमाचो जजूय तोच जाता. सो वन थिंग इज क्लियर दॅट till the time the speaker disposes the petition, we cannot approach the High Court or the Supreme Court. So the speaker was taking the advantage of this because he was completely biased. He was taking the dictations of the BJP leadership. This order also was ready long back, but he was not asked to deliver this. He has only signed on. स्पीकराक खंयची ऑथॉरिटी पावर दिता की दोन पॉलिटिकल पार्टीचो मर्जर करपाचो. सो हो तेणें पयलो व्हरलो. सो आयज जो केला तेणें 10th शेड्युलाचो परत एकदां मर्डर केला आनी एंटी डिफेक्शन लॉ आसा तेणी रिडिफायन केला. दॅट इज द लॉ फॉर डिफेक्शन.
सभापती रमेश तवडकाराक जेन्ना पत्रकारांनी विचारले त्या वेळार सभापतीन दिल्ली ही जाप. ताज्या कोतान ही केस फास्ट ट्रॅकर्स हाताळ्या. ऐकात.
ते एलिगेशन करता पळय ताणें फुडें वचूंक शकता न्ही ते.
सर एज ऑफ नाव डिसमिस मी पिटिशन हॅज बीन डिसमिस.
त्यांचे एक म्हणण्याचे की समज अशी दिवपाक 3 म्हयने आशिल्ले तेन्ना दिवपाचें म्हणून रावले कित्याक इतके वगत
त्या हाजेर हांवें कितले रिंग घेतले सगळे की म्हजोच एक न्ही की तांचे सबमिशन हे ते सगळे गजाली अशें आशिल्ले.
सर एज अ स्पीकर तुमकां दिसता अश्यो केसी फास्ट ट्रॅक जावपाक जाय पूण
असल्यो केसी फास्ट हांवें जस्ट फास्ट ट्रॅक घेवपाचोच प्रयत्न केलो. म्हणजे अनेक गजाल तांचे एडवोकेट आनी बाकी सगळे आसा न्ही की हाजे डिटेल तुमी तांकां विचारल्यार तुमकां मेळटलें. हांवें फास्ट ट्रॅक करपाचो प्रयत्न केलो.
गोवा 365 खातीर विन्सर रोझारियो, डायलन रॉड्रिगीस आनी सानिका नागवेकार.